I thought if I don't do, then you will not do it. I do not know why you don't like to do numericals. If you don't do numericals, you don't understand science. Okay. আমি জানি না। A 1000 ml sample of a gas at minus 73 degrees Celsius and 2 atmosphere. And
Pardon, sir.
right, 1000 ml sample of a gas at minus 73 degrees Celsius and 2 atmosphere is heated to 127 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is reduced to 0.5 atmosphere. What will be the final volume? Do it. Do. Find get equation that P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. Okay, I'll write now here. P2 V2 by T2. Why I'm writing? Because this is the initial and this is the final. Okay. Now what is P1? P1 they have mentioned. What is it? 2 atmosphere. What is V1? V1 is 1000 ml. What is T1? T temperature you always have to take in Kelvin. So So minus 273 means what? 0 degrees Celsius is 0 degrees Celsius is
73.
73. So I'll write now here 273 minus 73 is equal to 200 Kelvin. Then P2 is 0.5. V2 you are supposed to find. T2 is 273 plus 127 is equal to what? 400 Kelvin. So put the value and get V2. Do it. Take the help of calculator. Don't do numerically. Otherwise, you will not be able to finish. So many numericals you have to do. Take out the calculator.
Oh,
8,000 milliliter.
Very good, girl. So now we'll do another one. Just a second, huh? What is the pressure of HCl gas at minus 40 degrees Celsius if its density is 8.0 kg meter cube inverse. Okay. R is equal to 8.314 Joule Kelvin meter. Joule Kelvin mole inverse. Mole inverse. Inverse. Okay. So I'll help you a little bit. Now see here. We know PV is equal to NR. Now what is N? N is equal to number of moles. How do you find moles? Number of moles? It is the weight of the gas divided by molar mass of the gas. So let me write here abbreviation. W is weight of the gas and M is the molar mass of the gas. Okay, so let me substitute in the main equation. I will write here PV is equal to W by M R. Okay, now I can write again here P is equal to W by V RT by M. What is W by V? See, weight, yes, or mass. I write here. Mass by volume. I write here now. Mass of the gas by volume of the gas. That is W by V. Is it not equal to density? Is density or not? Okay,
Yes,
then I
sir.
will write here P is equal to D. So D RT by M. See now R value is given, T you know. Find out the molar mass of HCl. Hydrogen is 1, chlorine is 35.5. Do. Others have done. Hello? Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now we'll do another one. This one is very easy. Right. Calculate the number of gas molecules in a room. In a room of, wait, of capacity 25 meter cube. At a temperature of 27 degree Celsius and 1 atmosphere. Okay, R is equal to, wait, R has different values, na? So 0, yeah, can't see without specs also. Is 0.082 liter atmosphere mole inverse. Do. You think it one and tell me which equation you'll use.
NRT.
Yes, exactly. And find out the value of N now. After that, I'll tell you. Here, now find out the number of moles. After finding out the moles, you tell me.
ওটা একটা কি দেখলাম, 2 দিন ধরে দেখছি অনেকে বলেছে এটা সংক্রামক না।
6.5, sir.
Huh? You have got the value of n.
Sir, 6.5, sir.
Huh?
6.5.
Value of n.
Sir, I got 1.01.
It cannot be. You have made a
Yes,
mistake.
1.016 moles.
No, not 1.01. It is 1016 mole. Calculate your this thing. 25 meter cube. Did you write like this? 25 into 10 to the power 3.
No, sir.
No,
That is the mistake. Then you have to
So that,
convert into ml.
so then I'll multiply by 1000.
Why? In the main body you do. Finally, if you do, then it will be wrong. In the main equation you write it. Do correction. I knew though you will make this mistake. So n will be equal to 1016 mole. See, 1 mole contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of gas molecules. So what will be the total number now? So total number number of gas molecules equal to what? 1016 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So don't make this silly mistake. Knowing full equation and everything, if you do this same mistake, that will be wrong. Nah?
USA president শুধু 78 years হয়,
Hmm.
and another 4 years he will run, na?
Hmm.
World actually. Then why we are old?
ওইটা তো ঠিক কথা হয়েছে, আমরা নিজেরাই ভাবি আমরা বুড়ো হয়ে গেছি।
No. 78 যদি ওয়ার্ল্ড চালাতে পারে,
So how much did you get?
Six point 1205 into 10 to the power 26.
Yes, correct. Okay. Ah. So now we'll do another interesting problem. 4. The density of phosphorus vapor at 310 degrees Celsius and 775 torr. Please remember, this is torr. You have to convert it to atmosphere. 760 torr is equal to 1 atmosphere. Is 2.64 gram decimeter cube inverse. Okay. What is the molecular formula of phosphorus? Okay. Now we'll write here. R is equal to 0.082 dm cube atmosphere Kelvin inverse mole inverse. Second, atomic mass of phosphorus is 31 gram mole inverse. See, just now we have done P is equal to D into RT by M. Just now I have shown you the derivation also. So therefore, M is equal to D RT by P. Okay? Others you will do it. I'm only showing you what is P. P is equal to 775 torr. See, why should you convert it? Because what is the value of R given here? Atmosphere. So in a numerical, all the units should be from the same unit. Okay, it is there in liter atmosphere. So you have to convert. So what should I write? I told you 760 torr is equal to 1 atmosphere. So you have to convert this one into atmosphere divided by 760. So this is will be the 1 atmosphere. Rest you do. Find out the value of M. After that, I'll tell you how to do it.
Two point 64.
2.64 M is equal to 2.64. Huh? You have to find the value of M. So you got
Yeah,
how much?
I got 123.9.
Yes, very good. Now see here. We know molecules are being formed by combination of atoms, is it not? Huh? So that is called atomicity. Atomicity means how many atom is present in one molecule of an element. All right. So how will you find? So atomicity is equal to molecular mass divided by atomic mass. So put the value of that at molecular mass and atomic mass, put and get it. So we'll write now here atomicity of phosphorus. So put this value, you've got it, atomic mass is given here to find out. 3.997. So equal to what? Because atom cannot be in fraction, na? Is it not? Atomicity means number of atoms. Please remember, atomicity means number of atoms. So therefore, what should you write? Molecular formula of phosphorus is equal to what? How many atoms are there? 4. So it is P4.
একটা মাছ আর এখান থেকে অল্প ঝিঙা নেবা বেগুন নেবা শিলটা দেবে একটু বিনসটা দিবে সব মিক্স করে একটা
Density of
শসাটা কেটে দিয়ে তো আমি
oxygen is 1.43
লেবুটা এনে রাখি কেউ খায় না
gram liter inverse. Please remember, it is in liter. At STP. Calculate the density of oxygen at 17 degrees Celsius and 800 torr. Okay. See here. Again, I am doing. This is 5. Density is equal to what? Okay, I'll write now. P is equal to D. RT by S. What do I write? Or I can write density is equal to, I'll go for cross multiplication, PV by RT. This is my main equation. So there are two densities are there. So I'll write now here D1 is equal to P1 V2. So P1 V1 by RT1. And D2 is equal to P2 V2 by R. See, R is same only. T2. All right. So let me write here now. D2 by D1 is equal to what? P1 V1 by R T1 divided by P2 V2 R T2. So it will be what? All these things you know it. Okay? It will be R T1. Then this will go to the top. R T2. And this will be P2 V2. This and this get cancelled. Ultimately, what do you get here now? P1 V1 T2 by P2 V2 and T. All right. Now see, P is given in torr. Okay. And what is STP? STP means what? Here, temperature. Let me write here T1. T1 is equal to what? T1 is equal to 273 Kelvin. Standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature is 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin. Then what is P? P is equal to 760 millimeter. Now, Kelvin density of weight. Then what is T2 here? T2 is equal to what? 17. 273 plus 17. How much it comes? 290 Kelvin. Okay. And what is P2? Now you know very well that you have to divide it by 760 millimeter. Now, I did a mistake here. Volume 2 will not come. It will be M only. Sorry. Of the gear. So it will be, yes, it will be M. M. Sorry, dear. M. And here also, it is M. Why? Because, see, mass and mass will get cancelled. Sorry. M. M. So this also will get cancelled. So this will not be there. This will not be there. Sorry, dear.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
D2 is equal to P2M, right, sir?
See. Density is equal to what? See, what would you write? Initially, what did you write here? See, here, again I'm writing. P is equal to D into RT by M1. So, in both the cases, it is the same gas. So, mass will get cancelled. Is it not? See here. So, therefore, D is equal to what? D is equal to cross multiplication. PM by RT. See here, mass for both of them is same. R is also same. So, ultimately, what will get? P1 T2 divided by P2 T1.
Sir,
Yes.
the ratio of the D2 and D1, sir.
Wait. Wait. Correct. Good girl. क्या लिख दिया? Correct. It will be P2M divided by RT2. Correct. Good girl. And this will be P1M divided by RT1. So I can write like this. P2M RT2 into RT1 and P1M M. So it will be P2 T1 by P1. Okay. Now D1 they have given. See here. So D1 is what? Is 143 gram liter inverse. So what we'll get now here? Again I'm writing D2 by D1 is equal to P2 T1 P1 T2. Therefore D2 is equal to D1 P2 T1 divided by P1 T2. Everything I have done, only you have to put the figure. And thank you for correcting.
Yes, sir.
How much?
1.85 into 10 to the power minus 4.
I think you have done something wrong. It should be 1.41. Anyway, you again do it, not now. Otherwise, we'll not able to do. Okay, now we will be doing some numericals from Dalton's law of partial pressure. Okay, Dalton's law of partial pressure. Dalton's law of partial pressure sum is very easy. It is 6, I think 6, na? That a 10-liter flask contains 0.2 mole of methane, 0.3 mole of hydrogen, and 0.4 mole of nitrogen at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay. What is the partial pressure of each component, and what is the partial pressure of, sorry, what is not the partial pressure? What is the pressure inside the flask? Okay, see here. Say this is the container. Here you have CH4, you have 0.2 mole of CH4, then 0.3 mole H2O, and 0.4 mole of nitrogen. So you have to find out the pressure of each of them, and you have to find the pressure inside the flask. Means we know pressure inside the flask is nothing but the total pressure, and according to Dalton's law of partial pressure, the sum of the partial pressure of each component is equal to the total pressure or pressure inside the flask. Please remember, for all of them the volume is same. So what equation you have to use? You have to use equation PV is equal to nRT. So you require the value of R. Okay, so it is 0.821. Yes, it is 0.821. Okay, right, 0.2 liter atmosphere okay per Kelvin mole inverse. All right. So now you do similarly like this. So therefore P is equal to nRT by V. So now you calculate now here PCH4, then you calculate here PH2, then you calculate here PN. Find all of them. So these are the partial pressure. Okay. Please remember, for all of them V is same. Okay. And T is also same. Only N is different. N is different. See here. Moles they have given. Find out, and after that you add it right here. Pressure inside the flask. You add all of them, you'll get.
22, sir.
Total pressure is
22.
21.98. So 22.
total pressure is 2.2.
So 2.20 atmosphere.
Then
The 2.2.
check. See,
Okay,
partial pressure of methane is 0.489. Hydrogen is 0.734. And nitrogen is 0.979. Don't do this mistake. I'm doing everything for you. You only to do the calculation. Okay, see. 1.22 gram of a gas measured over water. Take care of this word. At 15 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 775 millimeter of mercury occupied nine hundred ml. Calculate the volume of dry gas at NTP. Vapor pressure of water at 15 degrees Celsius is 14 mm. See, whenever we measure the pressure of a gas over water, it contains water vapor. Right now here, pressure of wet gas is equal to pressure of dry gas plus pressure of water vapor. This is called vapor pressure. Okay, we'll write here now, or vapor I'll write no this plus vapor pressure. Okay, vapor pressure is also known as aqueous tension. Tension means tension means pressure. Okay, some exam they may not write vapor pressure, they will write aqueous tension. Then in that case you don't develop tension. All right. So now, so what you have to do now here? 122 grams of a gas measured over water at 115 degrees Celsius and a pressure of 775 millimeter of mercury occupied 900 ml. Okay, calculate the volume of the dry gas at NTP. Okay, now see here. NTP to know normal temperature and pressure. So I'll write now here. First, let me write all this information. Okay, so P2. P2 is what? P2 is okay. So P2 is how much? 775 mm. What about we measured? 775 m. Please remember, this is equal to what? Or name of the gas is not given. So it is pressure of dry gas. Okay. Oh, here I'll write pressure of wet So pressure of dry gas plus vapor pressure. Okay. So let me, for pressure of dry gas, okay. Okay. Well, right now here. Pressure of dry gas. Yeah. Let me consider its speed. This okay. This speed. No, I write P. Okay. So what I can write now? Therefore, P1 is equal to 775 minus what? What is the question, sir? This. Oh, I'll write. I'll just do stepwise. Otherwise, so again problem. Pressure of wet gas minus vapor pressure or aqueous temperature. So this is already given to us 775 mm minus 40. So therefore what? P1 is equal to what? P1 is equal to 761 mm. Okay. Volume they have given. Volume equal to what? Volume, this we have done. 900 ml. Okay. Then temperature is 15 degrees. So T1 is equal to 273 plus 50. How much it comes? It is 288. I think yes, this is Kelvin. Okay. Now, what they want, calculate the volume of dry gas at NTP. See here, dry gas. Na? So we have to write here dry gas. So what is P1 is equal to what? We know it is 760. V1 we have to find. And what is, sorry, is P2. And what is T2? NTP means 273 Kelvin. So now you write that P2 V2 by T2 is equal to P1 V1 by T1. Now, please remember why I did all this thing, just to make you understand that about the vapor pressure of water. All right, yeah. Water. Okay. Or this is also known as aqueous tension. Do. So you have to find now here V2. How much did you get?
So 854.24 liters.
Meters or what? Volume will come in meter,
No,
ml though.
sir, I said liters.
It will come in milliliter. You given mm na?
Yes, sir.
No. Okay, okay. So from sorry, next day I'll start thermodynamics. After thermodynamics, then I'll go to organic. All right. Bye.
Thank you, sir.